In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Gmail inbox separate for social, promotions, forums, 2026 full guide. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a cleaner inbox with tabs that automatically sort your messages. So important emails stay in primary, while newsletters, sales, social updates, and forum posts move to their own places. Start by opening Gmail in your web browser and signing in. These steps are for the desktop web version, which gives you the full set of options we'll use. Once your inbox is open, look to the top right corner and click the gear icon for settings. A quick settings panel will appear, but we want the full menu, so choose See All Settings. This opens Gmail's complete settings area in a new view. Across the top, you'll see a row of tabs. Click the one labeled Inbox. This is where Gmail controls how your inbox is structured. At the top of this page, find Inbox Type and select Default. Default is the layout that supports category tabs like social, promotions, updates, and forums. If you see Default already selected, you're in good shape. We'll just confirm the categories next. Scroll a bit to the Categories section. Here, you can decide which tabs you want to turn on. Check Social for messages from social networks and media sharing sites. Check Promotions to gather marketing emails, deals, and newsletters. Check Updates for confirmations, receipts, and automated notices from services you use. And check Forums if you participate in discussion boards or mailing lists. You can enable any combination that fits your workflow. These tabs don't delete or hide mail permanently. They simply organize it into sections at the top of your inbox, with primary remaining for personal and high-priority messages. After making your selections, scroll all the way to the bottom and click Save Changes. Gmail will refresh, and you should now see the tabs just beneath the search bar. As new messages arrive, Gmail will sort them automatically into the correct category. Primary is still your main inbox, while social, promotions, updates, and forums help reduce clutter and make it easier to skim what matters most. If you ever want to adjust which tabs are shown, return to Settings, open the Inbox tab, and change the checkboxes. Your choice isn't permanent. Also, remember that search works across all tabs, so you can always find what you need quickly, no matter where Gmail filed it. That's it. Your Gmail is now neatly organized with separate tabs. If the video has been helpful and want more tips, please subscribe to the channel. It's free.